This is Tim here from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your antenna on your Samsung TV. So you can see I have this old Channel Master antenna from maybe like 2003 or something like that. I'm not sure what all this does, but some of the newer ones are much more basic. And I can plug this in to boost the signal. But I'm going to connect this to my newer Samsung TV. So I have this coaxial cable just in the back here that I'm going to connect to my TV, and this is kind of what this looks like. So we just have to screw it on. Let's go to the back of my TV now, and then I'm going to connect this. So you have to think about where you're going to place your antenna as well, and if you have it close to a window, that might be a good idea because there's not a lot of obstructions or anything like that. If you have it placed behind your TV, just a heads up, your TV is going to be blocking a lot of that signal. So if you have it close to a window, if you have it higher up in maybe near your ceiling or something like that, you'll notice that you're going to be picking up a lot more channels. So I have this screwed on now, and you can see where I have this located. I might have to adjust this and move it around a few times just to see how many channels I actually get. So it's close to my window right here, so that's nice. And I have another antenna that's a little bit higher up. So you can see as soon as I have this plugged in, it says auto program. You can go ahead and just go to start now. So we can just go to this. Otherwise you can try to find this in the settings as well. We can go through the settings and have it set up. Now for some reason this doesn't pop up for you, and you can't find it in the settings. I was having trouble finding it in the settings as well. You can just unscrew this and plug it back in. So I have it unscrewed right now, you can see. And then I can screw it back in, and as soon as I connect it, it should just pop up. And then you can just go to start now. Okay, so I'll screw it in a little bit more so it doesn't come out on me. But this should open up the channel scan. And you can see it's going through all the different air channels right now. And it says DTV, blah, 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 DTV air. And then, if it does discover a channel, it should say it right here. So, looks like I found 5 channels right there. That's not bad. And it might take a little bit of time to scan through all these different channels. Just, give it a moment, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. And you can try this multiple times. It's kind of annoying on your Samsung TV if you have to unplug the coaxial cable each time. But you can move your antenna into different locations, and you can find that you're going to come up with more channels that you've discovered. So raise it higher up near the ceiling, put it near a window or an outside wall, and you could probably get maybe 2 or 3 more channels just doing that. Or in my area, I can get up to 44, and for some reason I'm only getting 5 right now. So I think that antenna might not be working as well as it should. But once you have everything discovered, you can just go to your TV guide and the channel should be on there. Okay, so I didn't want to wait that long, so I just pressed stop. And I have 5 TV channels right here. And then I have Samsung TV Plus, 580 channels through that. So if you have it connected to Wi-Fi, you get a lot of channels too. So we can just set this up for time zone. And then set your current time. Is it auto? Yep, let's just do that. And then it is done and it's complete. So there's the Price is Right. I think that is one of the live TV channels. So we can just go over to live TV now, right here. And then we can go through the different channels. Bounce, I'm not sure what that is. And then you can just watch these here. So I got some channels on here, and then I got all these free channels as well with Samsung TV Plus. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.